We're in a Lexus CT. We just installed the Hamilton upgrade kit for CarPlay and Android Auto. This system is going to have wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto built in. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and configure Android Auto. Go ahead and pull out your Android device, go to the Bluetooth menu in Settings, and click on the new Hamilton device that shows up. You'll see a pairing code pop up on the screen and on your phone. Click Pair. Click Connect. Android Auto will automatically pop up. If this is the first time you've used Android Auto, it may ask you to approve it or to allow favorites and contacts. Approve or allow both of those. Here are a few important points to note. Android Auto, similar to CarPlay, it initiates with Bluetooth, and then the high-speed data is transferred via an automatic Wi-Fi connection. No action is needed by you, but if you see Bluetooth pair and then go away, but you're still seeing Android Auto, you're in fine shape. One final important point. Long holding the menu button in front of your mouse for 3 seconds will take you back to the factory system. We are going to use the aux mode to play audio. So your phone is streaming audio through to the Hamilton device, and we've grabbed your aux line behind the factory radio, and it's going to be streaming via the aux mode. Some folks, they say, hey, I'd prefer to use factory Bluetooth. There's a few specific reasons for this. These people generally believe that factory Bluetooth is higher quality audio. Our team doesn't take that position. We've done extensive testing, and we don't believe aux mode compromises your audio quality. But if you believe that's the case, shoot us an email and we'll send you a quick guide to switch over to factory Bluetooth. Out of the box though, by default, what you want to do, you're going to pair your device to the Hamilton system, you're going to forget your factory Bluetooth network from your phone and from the car, and then you're going to stay solely in aux mode. Long holding that menu button will take you back to Android Auto. This system is going to add Android Auto and Apple CarPlay right onto your factory screen. We have another video that'll take you through Apple CarPlay. This will be an overview for Android Auto. You can see our screen preserves all of your factory features, including your factory reverse camera, and by long holding the menu button for 3 seconds at any time, you can switch right back to your factory screen. Coming back to Android Auto here, you'll see that any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up. So whether you use Spotify, YouTube Music, or any other music app, you'll have easy access to it here. And the same goes for navigation. Whether you use Google Maps, Waze, or another navigation app, you'll have access to awesome, easy-to-read maps here. This is so much better than the original system. Because this system interacts flawlessly with your factory system, it makes using the Google Voice Assistant, sending phone calls, or text messages a breeze. A quick press of the speech button will trigger Google. Hey Google, get navigation directions to Durham.
Durham is 42 minutes from your location by car in moderate traffic. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
Google makes navigating in your vehicle effortless. We'll come back to the home screen here. Any app with an Android Auto component will automatically show up. This system is going to have wireless and wired Android Auto built right into it. If you have any questions, give us a call at 919-858-2890 or check us out, hamiltonmotorcompany.com.